Now, my friends, the question that is before me today is that when we meditate, where should we focus? Let me answer that question in little bit detail. First of all, there are literally hundreds of different types of meditation, but they can be grouped into two. The first being those meditations where we focus on something. Some people focus on the breath, sometimes in the eye center, the third eye, various parts of the body, focus on a candle or something outside, and so on. But what you have asked me is not about focusing meditations, but about Simran Bhakti. In English, we refer to it as vibrant celestial meditation. Now, this is also known as the yoga of surrender. Essentially, the concept of this meditation is that we are not the doers of meditation. ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ. We are the receivers of meditation. It happens. There is a superconscious infinite power inside of us, which some people call as God. In Punjabi, some people refer to it as Namkala and various other names. When we surrender completely, die unto ourselves. In Punjabi, they say mar jana. Jivat mare, mare fun jive. Aisa sun samaya. So if you want to have a sun samadhi, that means a samadhi of surrender, then you must die. Die does not mean physical death, it implies surrender. And when you have let go, then there is no question of focusing. We let go completely of everything. We let ourselves loose, ਢਿੱਲੇ ਛੱਡ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, and allow the superconscious power to do the meditation for us. And it does. And we are only receivers of the meditation. Therefore, the answer to your question is that no focus. We let it happen. Jo hunda hon daida. Now the question will you ask is that thoughts will come. After all, we are not actually dead. Thoughts will come. What to do about them? My answer to that is that all these thoughts, they come from the conscious mind. Let them come. Don't go along with the thoughts. Observe them, let them come and let them go. Because the meditation happens at a much deeper level, at your subconscious level. So let the thoughts come. When you are about to sleep, ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੌਣ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, we don't start to fight with our thoughts, do we? No, we don't do that. In the same way, in this meditation, do not fight with your thoughts. Let them come, and meditation will happen. So let go. पूरा ढिल्ला छाड़ दो. Close your eyes and let it happen. No focus. Thank you.